Hello everyone, thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel for more upcoming informational videos. In this video, we are discussing about nested if. If you are watching this worksheet, we have uh, another company requirement. We first view that we have job ranking above 4 and 5. We are going to pay 5,000. If company have decided his mind and says that okay, we will also pay who have job ranking 3 is equal to 3, we are going to pay uh, let's suppose for example 3,000. So we can use this formula like if G3 is greater than or equal to 4, then we'll pay 5,000 and copy this, and G3 is equal to, we are going to copy and write here to use if in yesterday for how many requirements you have, you can write here if G3 is equal to 3, we are going to pay, let's suppose 4,000. If value is true, or if false, then we pay nothing, shows zeros, inverted commas means zeros. If false, then close the bracket and press enter. Copy this formula and paste to the cells. We can view the different results as now job ranking 3 will pay 4,000, or job ranking 4 and above will pay this. If we will expand it more, we are going to copy this again and use this. If G3 is equal to 2, then we are going to pay this comma. If is it true, then we are going to pay 3,000. Otherwise, if false, then show nothing. Yes, press enter. You can use this formula on different requirements as you as per requirements as your company requirements or achieve your desired results. Now pressing F2, you are going to view this. We can use if, then if is, if formula for different requirements. Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe and press bell icon.